Hey, sixth grade. So this will be our wrap up of sea turtles. From here, we're going to move on to endangered species. But this is your last activity for language arts about sea turtles. So the directions say using the provided website, Threats to Sea Turtles. So you'll be able to click on this link. Research one of the reasons sea turtles are threatened. There are six to choose from. Click on the link and it will take you to more information about the threat. So if I click on this link, it will bring me to this website that says 6 top threats to sea turtles. You'll have to scroll down, but here are the 6 threats. From here, you can click on the bolded teal and it'll take you to more information. So fisheries bycatch right here, sea turtle and fisheries. Here's information. Here's information. Here are facts, additional information to support why sea turtles are being threatened by fisheries. So that's one threat to sea turtles. You can click on any of these. So you're going to click on one of these and get more information. Then you are going to use Canva, which is a poster creation website, or Google Drawing. You're going to create a poster or sign to promote awareness for these sea turtle threats. So from this list of 6, you're going to pick one to get more information about. Then you're going to create a sign or poster. What I want you to include on your sign or poster is what is the threat? So the fisheries bycatch, well, I don't know what that is. So make sure that whatever it is, your readers will know what it is based on information on your poster. What the threat is, why is it a threat, 1 to 2 facts about the threat, and 2 images that are relevant to your poster. So those could be sea turtles. If you did plastic, you could have examples of plastic that get put into the ocean. Balloons would be an example, depending on which threat you pick. I want you to share your completed poster or sign with me when you finish. This is due by Friday. So today is Tuesday. You have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and that's when this is due. Be creative. This is an opportunity for you to make something to give people information and make them more aware of one of the threats to the sea turtles. Also, please don't include just full paragraphs. On Canva, if you choose to use Canva, they have really neat templates that you can choose from where you just click in the box and you can add your own information. So they're already designed for you. But be creative. Don't just write paragraphs on your poster because no one reads a poster full of paragraphs. They're not interested in doing that. So make sure you are being creative when you work on this. So again, share your completed poster or sign with me when you finish. This is due by Friday. If you have any questions, Ms. Frommel and I will be on Google Meet from 1 to 1:30 today. Have a great day.